Hey everyone! Opera Browser is built to make browsing fast, convenient, and organized. One helpful feature is the browsing history function. The browsing history keeps a record of the websites we visit, so we can easily return to a page we closed or forgot to bookmark. Whether we need to find an important article, revisit a shopping site, or check our recent activity, knowing how to access our history in Opera saves time and effort. Understanding this feature helps us stay organized and in control of our browsing. This guide explains how to check browsing history in Opera Browser quickly and efficiently. Many people don't realize Opera offers several ways to access history, including keyboard shortcuts and menu options. We show where to find browsing history, how to search for specific websites, and how to manage or review past activity. By following these steps, we can track our online activity, recover visited pages, and manage our browsing habits. Now follow me, because I will teach you step by step on how to view your history on Opera in the simplest way. So even if you're new, you can follow along. First, open your Opera browser. We go to the Opera logo in the upper left corner of the browser. Here, we click this icon and go straight to our history. Here, we click to see our recent activity, or open the full list of history. Here, we see all the websites we have opened. We can also check our past history using the keyboard by pressing Ctrl+H together. Let's press Ctrl and H, and we are redirected to our history. Now that we know how to check our history in Opera Browser, we have better control over our online activity and easier access to previously visited websites. This feature helps us improve productivity, save time, and keep our browsing organized. Remember, we can clear and manage our history whenever needed to maintain privacy. With this knowledge, we can confidently use Opera and make the most of its browsing tools.